In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a voting poll using Surveymonkey. Whether you're organizing an election, setting up an internal poll, or handling a simple decision-making process, Surveymonkey provides an efficient platform to manage all kinds of votes seamlessly. So, let's dive into the process, covering everything you'll need to ensure your poll runs smoothly. To begin, you'll want to log into your Surveymonkey account. If you haven't created an account yet, don't worry. It's straightforward to sign up for free. Once you're in, click on Create Survey. Here, you have two options to choose from. You can either build your survey from scratch, which gives you full control over the customization, or opt for using a template. Look for templates labeled Vote or Election if available. These templates can really speed up the process, providing a foundational layout for your poll. Once you've chosen your template or started from scratch, the next step is to add a question type that suits your voting needs. Typically, a multiple-choice or image-choice question works best, as it allows voters to select just one option. This one selection rule is crucial in maintaining fair and straightforward voting. It's important to label each answer choice clearly. This might mean listing out candidate names, items up for vote, or any other options you're offering to your voters. Clear labeling helps avoid confusion and makes the voting process as transparent as possible. Remember, allowing only one response per voter is key to ensuring fairness in the voting process, especially when decision-making depends on the results being unequivocally unbiased. After setting up your survey, it's time to distribute it and start collecting votes. Surveymonkey offers a few ways to do this efficiently. The email invitation collector is an excellent choice if you want to control access carefully and limit duplicate votes. This method lets you see who's responded without necessarily linking their identity to their choice, maintaining voter anonymity. If you need broader access to your poll, consider using a web link collector. This option makes the survey accessible to a wider audience, but you should still restrict it to one response per person. Be sure to enable anonymity as required, allowing participants to vote without disclosing their identities if that's important to your poll. Surveymonkey also provides advanced options to enhance the security and structure of your voting poll. For instance, you can set a deadline for the poll, specifying a definitive cutoff date and time to automatically close voting. This feature is particularly helpful in elections to ensure timely results. Furthermore, for added security, consider setting up password protection. This ensures only those with the given password can access the voting poll, adding another layer of control to who participates. And there you have it, a simple, thorough guide to creating a voting poll on Surveymonkey. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to running a successful and organized voting process. Thanks for tuning in, and happy polling.